The living room is the place we all look forward to retreating to after a long day, or lounging about in on a lazy weekend. From major overhauls to quick and easy changes that make a big style impact, creating a beautiful, livable space doesn't have to cost a fortune. To give you some inspiration, I have compiled 17 IKEA living room ideas to use as a starting point for your next decorating project. 1. Bookshelves and storage. Opt for stylish Billy bookshelves and IKEA living room storage solutions like those from the Besta collection to organize your living room. These units showcase your books and collectibles while offering hidden storage for clutter-free spaces. 2. Smart storage solutions. IKEA furniture for small spaces abounds with wall-mounted cabinets, modular shelving units, and hidden storage under seating, making it easy to keep your living room clutter-free, no matter how small. 3. Family-friendly layout. Design your living room with family in mind. IKEA's spacious sectionals, durable coffee tables, and kid-friendly IKEA living room storage solutions help create a comfortable and practical space for everyone. 4. Nature-inspired. Bring the outdoors in with IKEA's natural wood and organic textiles, and with plants from the generously sized plant and garden section. Do you like this ideas? 5. Industrial vibes. Achieve an industrial look with IKEA's metal and wood furniture. Exposed brick, metal shelving, and factory-style lighting fixtures can transform your living room into a trendy urban space. 6. Monochrome elegance. Color drenching is one of the top trends of 2024, and you can use pieces from IKEA to create a monochromatic color scheme. You'll find the most luck with black and white pieces, but you can also filter by colors like green, blue, and yellow when shopping online to help match your theme. 7. Multi-purpose furniture. If you're looking for IKEA furniture for small spaces, look for multi-purpose options. Pieces like IKEA living room sofa beds and storage ottomans save space and add twice the functionality to your living room, making it ideal for both relaxation and hosting guests. 8. Luxury space. Create a space no one will know is IKEA living room furniture with curated options like these warm farmhouse picks. Plush IKEA living room sofas, elegant coffee tables, and charming lighting will elevate your living room's aesthetics for less. 9. Coastal and light. IKEA's light-colored furniture, such as beachy wooden coffee tables and light blue accent pieces, creates a beachy, laid-back coastal vibe. 10. Greenery and plants. Don't forget the plant section. Adding greenery enhances design and promotes a healthier living space by improving air quality. 11. Small and cozy living room. For small living rooms, maximize space by choosing compact multi-purpose IKEA furniture. Use wall-mounted shelves, foldable tables, and modular seating to increase functionality and coziness simultaneously. 12. Wall-mounted entertainment center. Save floor space by opting for a wall-mounted entertainment center from IKEA like the Brimness to store your TV and all things media. 13. Bring the whites. Embrace a clean and airy look by incorporating simple white IKEA living room furniture and home decor. Clean white color schemes can make your living room feel more spacious and evoke a sense of tranquility. Just make sure you know how to keep those whites clean. 14. Luxury space. Create a space no one will know is IKEA living room furniture with curated options like these warm farmhouse picks. Plush IKEA living room sofas, elegant coffee tables, and charming lighting will elevate your living room's aesthetics for less. 15. Rugs. Rugs add warmth to your living space and can define different functional areas within an open living plan. You'll be surprised by the makeover that a simple rug can create. IKEA's wide range of options makes finding something that fits your style effortless. 16. Scandinavian minimalism. Embrace the timeless charm of Scandinavian design with minimalist furniture and home decor. Clean lines, neutral colors, and functional pieces help create an uncluttered and serene living room. 17. Bohemian chic. If the minimalist thing isn't for you, you can go for a more boho feel with vibrant colors, eclectic patterns, and textured IKEA fabrics. Mix and match cushions, rugs, and poofs for a cozy and unique atmosphere.